This is how to make mint rice. First blend 4 stems of mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of water and blend again. At medium heat, add some oil. Add a pinch of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urid dal. Add a sliced medium onion and 2 sliced green chillies. Turn off the heat and add your blended mint leaves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Rinse out the extra mint with some water. Add some salt to taste. Add 100 grams of cooked rice with chana dal, which is optional. Finally, if you'd like, finish this off with some lime juice. And that's it! Your mint rice is ready to eat!